Hello, this is Chad McMahon with Protect with Insurance. This is another life insurance episode. This one is on how do I find a whole life insurance agency near me. And if you're like me, then you like to have an agency or at least your life insurance provider, someone that's within reaching distance, someone that you can reach out, that you can meet with if you want to, in terms of getting your life insurance set up. So that is important. Let me kind of walk you through it. Here's the short version. First of all, the steps are when you get life insurance, the best possible way to get the lowest cost and the best program is to go through an agency. You want to have an independent agent, an independent agency, not a captive agency. Captive agencies are those that only work for one life insurance company. And you're really shooting yourself in the foot if you do that because they're only pricing one company. You're missing all the competition. So you want your life insurance carrier to have competition because that gets that price down. There's nothing they can do. They can't negotiate with you. They can't say, oh, well, we'll give you 20% off because we have competition. But what that does do is it opens up all these other programs in front of you, gets the prices down. Because now you've got all these different companies, all these different programs. They do price differently. They do offer different options. So you want to have an independent agency that's going to be shopping for you with all these different companies. That's how it works. Now, not all agencies are created equally. In fact, there are huge differences in the quality of service that you're going to get from agency to agency. And there are huge differences in the number and the types of insurance companies that they contract with, that they can shop for you. So just because you're going to a life insurance agency and, I don't know, their website looks good or something like that, they may only have one or two or three or six life insurance life insurance companies that they're pricing, that they're shopping for you. And there's no guarantee that they're going to be A-rated, which is just so crucially important that you get an A-rated life insurance company. And so here's the perfect world scenario. What you want is an independent broker, independent life insurance agent or agency. Someone there is able to shop all their companies that they have access to. They're all A-rated companies. This is not the rating of the agency. This is only the rating of the companies that they pull from. And they're able to pull whole life insurance that's A-rated from at least 10, if not 20 or more life insurance companies across the country so that you can get paired with the lowest possible price, so it saves you money, it takes the pressure off with your budget. It gets the quality of your insurance to go up because, again, competition is good. It's a very good thing for you. And then the last thing is coming full circle to what this video is about in terms of getting a whole life insurance agency near you. That is the part that's a little bit tricky. The agencies, if you require an agency to be in your back door, again, shooting yourself in the foot. However, if you choose an agency that has agents everywhere, then you're covered because then you have an agent that's accountable with that company that can meet with you if you need to. What we do with our agency, we have agents across the country. Right now, we're servicing 30 states out of the country. We want to make sure that if someone wants to meet with someone, we can arrange that. It's not difficult. We've got our headquarters out of Arizona, but we have agents across the country, at least in those 30 states. As we get more agents in other states, we'll expand. So right now we just service the states where we can have face-to-face with clients that require that want that need that. Otherwise, we're doing most everything over the phone, which is beautiful. It's good for everyone, especially with COVID. There's a lot of concern with face-to-face, so this is a very easy way to square that away and get everyone what they want. So I hope that's been helpful. Now, as far as how the heck do I find a good agency, I'm not going to waste your time and say, oh, choose us. Whoever you choose is great. If you do want to bounce ideas off us, then please feel free. If you want to get a quote from us and have us recommend a couple agencies, we can certainly do that for you. We don't have a ready list ready to go because honestly, there are a lot of bad agencies out there. That's just the sad truth of it. A lot of bad apples nowadays, so you have to be really careful. Now, we really pride ourselves, everything you'll see on our website, we really pride ourselves on the client comes first. And you're not a customer, you're a client. And this is a lifelong connection. So we will always be your red phone call. You can call us up. You'll have an agent that is dedicated to helping you for life. And that's a very important part of our business model. So we hope to hear from you because we like to help. That's what we want to accomplish. And that's the real deal. There's no smoke there. So I hope that we hear from you and love to take care of you. All right, stay safe out there.